In the agricultural market of Chintamani, Karnataka, a farmer named Eshwarappa is searching for high-quality seeds for his next crop. While he works, he hears a startling statistic. India once grew approximately 1 lakh different varieties of indigenous rice. Today, seed banks work to preserve what remains of that massive genetic history. This figure fascinates Eshwarappa's son, Estu. He realizes he has only tasted 3 types of rice. He wonders, if he tried a new variety every single day for a full 100-year life, would he actually reach that 1 lakh mark? We use the word lakh frequently, but the human brain rarely grasps the actual physical or temporal scale it represents. To test Estu's theory, we have to convert a century into days. Ignoring leap years for simplicity, we multiply 365 days by a 100-year lifespan. That calculation gives us 36,500 days. If Estu eats one unique rice variety every day for his entire life, he only reaches 36,500 types, nowhere near a lakh. Even doubling his intake to 2 varieties every single day, we only reach 73,000. A single human lifetime is simply too small a container to hold a lakh. To see where a lakh actually begins, we have to look past physical time and into the structural rules of our number system. Look at the largest 3-digit number, 999. Adding a single digit results in 1,000, the smallest 4-digit number. That same pattern holds at the next level. Add 1 to the highest 4-digit number, 9,999, and you reach 10,000. Now push that to the limit. When you add 1 to 99,999, you arrive at the first 6-digit number, 1,01,000. This is written as a 1 followed by 5 zeros. In the Indian numbering system, we read this as 1 lakh. 1 lakh represents a specific, mathematically defined threshold, placing a number firmly into the 6-digit magnitude. While a lakh is too large for daily habits, it's a standard unit for measuring town populations, tracked through official census records. This chart shows Chintamani's population. In 2011, the town had 75,000 residents. That meant it was exactly 25,000 people away from reaching the 1 lakh mark. By 2024, the population grew to 1,06,000, moving 6,000 people past the 1 lakh threshold. The difference between these records shows Chintamani added 31,000 people in 13 years. A lakh may eclipse the scale of a single life, but it provides the exact magnitude necessary to track the rapid growth of human societies. Before we close, let's return to Estu's rice mystery. If a person ate 3 varieties of rice every day for a 100-year life, what's the total? Take the 36,500 days in a century and multiply them by 3. Calculate the total. Does this new habit finally push them past the 1 lakh mark, or are they still short? Post your calculation and your yes or no answer in the comments. We'll see you in episode 2.